Chuck's here, so I got to get back to work, or I got to get to work. I also wanted to show you RAM65s. They want me to promote, and you guys, I do those $80 a set or 2 sets for $150, and you can pick the RCX. Was it? No, RAX 65, which is the rose gold, and then the RAM 65, which is the component version. The other thing I wanted to promote was the SAM65s. This is the last of them. I was selling them for fucking $180, $200 a set because they compared to Focal, but they want me to clear them out, so I'm like, okay. We got one set here. I think I have 2 or 3 sets left of the RD65, which are really, really nice. I like those. I'm doing those $100 a set shipped, and then we're gonna do the SAM65s for only $120 a set shipped, brand new. That's the premium top end motherfuckers. So love you guys. They're getting ready to cut the bolt and get me working. Love you. Talk to you later.